Hi, my name is Jose Calero, President and Chief Product Architect of LabWorks Inc., and I'd like to tell you today about the Wizard desktop stand. Okay, here's the Wizard desktop stand. First of all, let me explain that it is not necessarily a desktop stand, but it's an all-purpose stand. This product will do everything else on our website that we sell does. It will sit on your lap as a lap tray. It will set up on your desk as a typing stand. It will set up as a full desktop stand replacement when you're using your notebook as a replacement for your desktop. It will set it up in a full incline and give you all the lift you need for a proper viewing level. And fourth, it also sets up as an off the lap stand, something that will support your computer in midair. And so this product is it's also large. You can tell that it's a little probably bulky. But for the service that it does, if you'll just listen to this presentation, you'll hear how much value you can get out of this if you're going to use this at all at the home or in the office. And this product also is exceptional for folks who are bedridden. You can use this. It'll hold up to about 25 pounds without having any problem, and so without stressing the plastic knuckles. So your notebook will be no problem for this. Let me demonstrate how this sets up. This, first of all, we'll give you a close-up in a little bit, but it has some push buttons here that allow these legs to set up in different angles. And so if you push it in, and I'm going to turn it my way because it has indicators of degrees. So I'm going to turn this exactly to 30 degrees. Okay, and I'll do the same thing with this one. Turn it to 30. There it is. Oops, not quite. Now we got it. And then this one to 30. And there it is. And now I do the same thing over here. You can see what's happening to the legs. These are, I believe, we call these articulating legs. And an articulating leg is just that. It has multiple joints. And let me just get this to 30 here. We had a reviewer, a tech reviewer, Catherine Roseberry, review, and here it is. It sets up just like this. Oops, the angle's not perfectly right. Let me just get this one more. There we go. And this one more. Okay, here we go. You would set your computer on here. Oops. There we go. You set your computer on here, and you can see that now you have a full desktop replacement. It sits up. It has the viewing screen, at least for me, at higher than eye level. Okay, so when you set your computer on it and it's in, for example, this angle, it's not suitable for typing, of course, but it gives you the lift that you need in order to use your notebook as a complete desktop replacement. This product has literally hundreds of different positions, depending on what your own application is. Each leg is 12 inches long, and there are 3 of them. So you can have up to a 24-inch lift with these bottom legs, giving you your base of support. So this product will serve you in a number of positions, number of applications, not only at your desk. Also, if you're sitting on a sofa or if you're sitting on a large chair where you can deploy this on, if you're uncomfortable with your notebook on your lap, or if your laptop gets uncomfortably hot, this product is exceptional. The other advantage that it has is that, number one, this is an extruded piece of aluminum, this whole piece here. It's extruded and then cut and then finished. This is the biggest plate in terms of size that you can find on any notebook stand. And the advantage to aluminum is that aluminum is a big heat sink. It sucks in the heat from your notebook. So whenever you have a notebook that's overheating, this aluminum panel will actually suck it in and dissipate it across the platform, thereby cooling your computer. And there's this ongoing cycle of heat absorption and dissipation, and that's what contributes to cooling to your computer. Another use for the Wizard desktop stand, if you prefer to just read with hands-free, this is a terrific product. Also, the Wizard comes with 6 of these elastic bands that you can use to hold anything open if you like. But here you see that if you set these properly, you have a perfect reading stand and it's completely off your lap. Okay, here's another application for it. You see that I've reconfigured the legs in this angle. These legs will go either way. You can switch this one down like this and then relock it, or you can bring it back and lock it. Make these even. Oh, there it is, it locked in. So this, no, it's not quite. It's not locked in. Okay, there we go. Okay, so this product can elevate to this degree. Your body is in this posture here, sitting down against a sofa with your back against the sofa, sitting on the floor, sitting up in bed. You can see the incline that you're going to get from this, and when you set a computer on it, I'm going to stand up, get out of the picture, but when you set a computer on it, you can see that it is fully supported. You can, because again, these you can put this in hundreds of positions. You can set these up in different angles. You decide. There's something else that comes with this product that I want to just point out. You can see here this big rubber pad across here. That's mostly for you to use on your wrist if you're ever typing directly on it. It's just a comfort pad. It's a very soft rubber, probably a 35 durometer, which means that it's just very soft to the touch. It's supple almost. And so this is the Wizard desktop stand. Let me now show you some close-ups of this product. Okay, here's a close-up of the Wizard and those little buttons in the knuckles here. You can see that there is a series of degree measurements around the edge, and there's an arrow. So you simply push in the button and turn this until you get to the right degree. Then you push in the button again, and when you lock in at the next locking, it opens up. Same thing with this one. Can you see this over here? Push in this button, and you can see, well, you can see how it fell. But if you push in the button, now it's completely free to move anywhere you want. Push the button in again, and now it locks. And do the same thing with this one now. We're back here. Push this one in. Push it all the way down. You can see that this is completely free. You push it in again, and it locks in. So now you've got your angle. Now, another thing that I did want to show you is this rubber pad here. This is a very soft rubber pad, so when you're typing on your wrist, typing on the unit, you have somewhere to rest your wrist if that's the way you work. The bottom is very clean. There's nothing to it. And there's no sharp edges, so if you set this on your lap, or if you're even wearing fine clothes, you're not going to catch on here. There's no sharp edges that are going to catch your clothes. That's the beauty of this product as well. So let me just go ahead and reverse this process. Close this up again, push that button in, get down here, all right, push this one in all the way. When it's down, you unfasten and do the same thing here, push it down, release it, and now all of these are locked in place, and you're all set. And here is your Wizard desktop stand.